Hello, and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian, and I'm just a guy with a passion in helping other people find their happiness in love. Happiness in love is such an important aspect of our lives. We are social beings, and way too often, unfortunately, we are not taught how to love, or we are not given basic skills and basic tools to be able to be in healthy relationships with people that we care deeply about. And that's why we do what we do here at Love Advice TV. And that's why we know that there are so many healthy, good relationships that end up going sour because people don't have the tools they need. And that's what we're able and hoping to provide on a daily basis on our YouTube channel and on our website. Today, I wanted to talk about a remark or a comment made by one of my clients yesterday. And this amazing young woman reached out to me saying, Adrian, I saw what my ex has been doing on social. He's been partying, he's been doing all sorts of things that makes me really angry, and I want to make him jealous. How can I make my ex feel jealous? And I always try to not judge the clients that reach out to me, because who are we to judge? Everyone makes mistakes, and usually people are in the gutter. They're in a pretty bad shape. They've lost all their confidence and self-esteem and well-being, and it is our job to be that mirror, to show them the potential of what they can be and to help them get there. So when this young, amazing woman told me that she wanted to make her ex feel jealous, and that was one of the numerous questions she had for me during this coaching session, I needed to be her mirror, and I needed to challenge her on that. Was this something really constructive? Was it really a positive goal that she was setting for herself? What could really, truly be accomplished by looking to make the ex jealous? It's a negative emotion. You are actually putting them on a pedestal, and you are engaging in pure, sheer manipulation. That will backfire eventually because it will create resentment, and things are going to escalate, and you're going to grow apart. So, trying to make an ex feel jealous is a clear sign that you have not let go of pain and anger, and that these things need to be addressed. Okay? You need to forgive. Forgiveness is one of the essential values and virtues that need to be developed during breakup recovery. Trying to make an ex feel jealous is not going to bring you peace of mind and happiness. It simply isn't. You might get a short-term thrill at stirring a reaction from someone that you care about, but tit for tat doesn't work in our line of work. It doesn't. And I encourage you, once again, to shift your frame of reference, to shift your focus, and for your well-being and happiness to truly come at the center of everything that you do. This process is about you, not about what your ex does. And trying to make them jealous isn't about you. It's about them. It's about putting them on a pedestal. It's about telling them how important they are. And it's about losing yourself. And that is not the way to build a healthy relationship. So, I encourage you to write down all of the reasons why you want your ex to feel jealous. Write them down on a piece of paper. Go ahead, you can write them down right now. Pause the video, take a sheet of paper and a pen, or on your laptop, make a list of all the reasons why you want your ex to feel jealous. Go ahead, I will wait. Hopefully, you've done this. And if you have done this, you will now realize that all these reasons why you want them to feel jealous is because you're putting them on a pedestal. You're giving them so much more importance and control over your well-being. And your happiness comes from within. It's about you, not seeking any validation from them. So I want you to forgive. I want you to truly look at every single one of those faults or hurts that have been caused by your ex, and to sincerely, genuinely look to let it go. Because if you clearly love them, if you truly love them, and you must if you're trying to win them back. You need to realize that love is about wanting them to be happy, even if it's not with you. And if you are in that mindset, and you are loving yourself too, and setting goals, and taking daily actions to move closer and closer to that person that you can be, along the way, beautiful things are going to happen. And you know what? You're going to inspire that person to chase you all over again. They're going to be the ones to reconnect. They're going to be the ones to try to see you. They're going to be the ones to tell you that they've made mistakes. They're going to be the ones to try to seal the deal with you, to win you back. And I see that on a daily basis with people all over the world who have chosen to embrace this journey the right way. Not by trying to make an ex feel jealous, but by actually becoming their higher, better selves, the person that they can be. So, if by clicking on this video, you were hoping to get some sort of negative advice or tips and tools to create resentment and guilt within your ex, let that go. That's not the purpose. The purpose is for you to become an inspiration to your former partner, and along the way to inspire them to want to be with you and to partake in that happiness and that journey. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please fuel my fire, like it, tell me what you enjoyed, what you want to know more of. If you're looking for practical tools on how to take the first step in your journey, please tell me about your story. Where are the roadblocks? What are you struggling with in your day-to-day? If it is a positive step that you're looking to make, we will be there to assist you. And magic is going to happen along the way. As always, thank you for tuning in. Keep fighting the good fight. I wish you all the best.